Hi, this is Dr. Friedlander, and in this video demonstration, just want to show you how you can use Evernote to record and transcribe lectures in your college classrooms. So I opened up a new note, and now I'm going to select the microphone. Since I'm in person, I'm going to select that option, and now I'm just going to speak. I've been using Evernote for probably over 15 years. I use it as my second brain. I have PDFs, audio recordings. I even forward emails that I want to save to Evernote. One of the really nice things for college students to think about is searchability. Evernote is a great tool for searching your documents. It now also has semantic AI search, which makes it invaluable for quickly finding documents. If you're in the classroom, you can also be typing your notes as well if you prefer to do that. But if not, all you need to do when you're done with the lecture is hit stop. And now once that's done, I can just click transcribe, and you can see that it will generate the transcript from the audio. Let's give it a second or two. Evernote now includes up to 2 hours at a time for creating transcripts, which would be a great tool for students. And of course, you could always um, type a title. And the other really nice things that you can use with Evernote is using tags. So if I wanted to create a tag called college notes, I can create that, and now I can use that tag to search. So Evernote can be a great tool not only for typing notes, keeping PDFs organized, but also as a way to audio record lectures with transcription. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know.